Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use TurboTax Deluxe. First, gather all your tax documents like W-2s and Form 1099s. Then, install the software or log into your online account. TurboTax Deluxe guides you through the process step by step, making it easy to input your information accurately. You'll start by entering some basic personal details to set up your tax return correctly. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth filing experience. Next, it's time to enter your income. TurboTax Deluxe makes this straightforward. You'll be prompted to input information from your W-2 forms, which detail your wages and withholdings. For other income sources, like interest or dividends, you'll use Form 1099. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to enter the figures from these documents. The software automatically calculates your total income, ensuring accuracy and saving you time. One of the biggest benefits of TurboTax Deluxe is its ability to help you find deductions and credits. The program asks you a series of easy-to-understand questions about your life events and expenses. Based on your answers, it identifies potential tax savings, like deductions for student loan interest or credits for education costs. This ensures you're taking advantage of every opportunity to reduce your tax liability, often saving you hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Finally, it's time to review and file your return. TurboTax Deluxe conducts a comprehensive check for errors and omissions, ensuring everything is accurate before submission. It will highlight any areas needing attention and guide you through making corrections. Once you're confident, you can choose to e-file your return directly through the software, which is the fastest and most secure method. Remember to print a copy for your records, and congratulations, you're done.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.